Elwood is a very trendy area. So you're close to the beach, you're close to the city, you're only 8 kilometres from the city. You've got all the amenities, you've got some very trendy cafes, restaurants that are already there on Ormond Road. You've got parks, you've got St Kilda, Luna Park. You are in the centre of where you want to be if you're a bayside or a beachside type of person. Elwood has been developing and maturing over the last 5 to 10 years. The top end of Elwood, there's been some developments that have come to market, particularly with COVID. It has slowed down a little bit, but there is now starting to see high-end prices in the $3-4+ million range. People who buy in Elwood understand the area. You're right on the doorstep of Brighton. I mean, you're talking Elwood's here, Brighton's there, because Elwood is a smaller, tightly held area. A lot more heritage overlays in Elwood, so there's less opportunity to develop in Elwood as compared to there is in Brighton. But yet it's becoming now a Brighton price. There's a big difference between first home buyer type projects as compared to a premium or higher end type projects such as our project here in Elwood. Big difference is you don't have the buyers who will be buying these products. Eventually is what, the sale price, eventually what profits that you're going to be deriving from this project. They're not driven by interest rate rises. They're not as affected. They probably are affected in some way, but nowhere near as affected as first home buyers. So therefore, they've got more money to spend. They'll be spending it at any time that they want to spend it, basically. And if you build the right product, they will buy it. The top end market is actually doing extremely well, even though, we've had a little bit of now recovery in the marketplace. Still, the top end is doing extremely well because people with money have always had money. Now they've been sitting on the sidelines. Now they see that the opportunity is now to go and buy, so they're going ahead and buying. First home buyers, not saying there's anything wrong with that market, but they need to consider maybe their borrowing capacity is lower. Maybe they need to save a little bit more deposit. Maybe they need to go a little bit further out. Maybe they need to think about laterally thinking of how they can purchase those properties. So it takes a longer decision rather than the top end where it's just quick. If it's good and they love it, they'll buy it. People will understand that it is value for money to buy in Elwood.